Good morning, students. How are you? I think you will fit and fine. Today we will study about question number 8. आपको exercise 4.3. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas country like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. So you can use to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit this formula, that is F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. So your first question is, draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. It means you have to show Celsius on x-axis and Fahrenheit on y-axis. So for making this, we have take a difference of 10 on y-axis, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 as a difference of 10, and on x-axis difference of 5, 5, 10 and 15, like so on. So as you know that for drawing any graph, we have to make a table for this. So we have make a table using C and F. C is for Celsius x-axis and F for Fahrenheit on y-axis. When C is 0, you will put, as we know that for this we can put value on own self. So when C is 0, so 9 by 5 into 0, that will 0, so F will 32. It means when C is 0, F is 32. And again we will put other value. C is 5. We are taking 5 because 5 can be easily cancelled. So 9 upon 5 into 5 plus 32. 5 and 5 will cancel out. You can find out C as a 41. So you can draw the graph. Either you can find out one or two value more. So we are putting one another value. C is 10. When we will put C is 10, this will 50. It means when x is 0, F is 32, C is 5, F is 41 and C is 10, F is 50. You have 3 points. So come on the graph. We are taking these points 0, 32, this will above the 30, and for the next point 5 and 41, this will above the 40, and the third one 10 and 50, this will the point. So as you know that for drawing a linear equation, linear graph, we have at least 2 points, but for easiness we have drawn 3. We will join these points and got a graph. This graph is for the given equation F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So I think you are able to understand how we will draw a graph for this. And now the second part is, if the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? For this we will use the previous formula. If C is 30, then we have F is equal to 9 upon 5 into 30 plus 32, 5 and 30 both will cancel out. 5 6 is 30, so it will 9 into 6 plus 32, 9 6 is 54 plus 32, it means the value will 86. So I think using this formula you can easily convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. And now the next third part is, if the temperature is 95 degrees centigrade, then what will the temperature in Celsius? So for this also we will use the previous formula. We know that F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. We will put 95 at the place of F. 95 is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. 32 will come in left side. 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 C, and this will 63 is equal to 9 by 5 C, or C is equal to 63 into 5 upon 9. 63 can be cancelled out, so it will 7 into 5, that will 35. So you can write C is 35. It means when F is 95, C will 35 degree centigrade. And now fourth part is, if the temperature is 0 degree centigrade, then what will the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, then what will the temperature in Celsius? So when C is 0, we will use the previous formula. F is equal to 9 by 5 into 0 at the place of C plus 32. 9 by 5 into 0, this will 0, 0 plus 32, it means F is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. It means when temperature C is 0, then the temperature in Fahrenheit will 32. And the second part, if F is equal to 0, we will use 0 at the place of F. So 0 plus 9 by 5 plus 32, that will, we will convert it 9 by 5 C is equal to minus 32, because 32 in other side. From here 5 is in division form, it will come in multiply form. So C is equal to minus 32 into 5 upon 9. This will minus 160 upon 9, or minus 17.77 degree centigrade. It means when the temperature is 0 degree centigrade, then the value of temperature in Fahrenheit will 32 degree Fahrenheit in positive. But when the temperature in Fahrenheit is 0, then the temperature in centigrade will in minus, that will minus 17.77 degree centigrade. And we use this formula for converting any temperature.